Hello everyone and welcome to another video of my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about checkbox. Here into layout design section, into the palette buttons, you can find the checkbox. I'm gonna drag and drop a checkbox here into the middle of the page, and I'm gonna change the ID to checkbox. And I don't need this text view. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna connect the checkbox to the layout, and that's it. For those who don't know how to use the checkbox and what to use the checkbox, I'm gonna explain it a bit for you. Let me zoom in and okay, here you can see the checkbox. Any checkbox has two parts. First of all, the box that can be checked or unchecked, and the text that will give the information to the user that what is the content of the checkbox, what are you checking or unchecking. For example, consider you want to give the option to confirm something or deny something, so you should write here confirm, for example. And if the user check it, that means that the user confirmed it. Okay, let's go to main activity.kt to use it. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. So if you want to change the text of the checkbox, you can write anything here. For example, confirm, and that's it. Permanently it will be changed to confirm. And let's go back here. First of all, I should initialize the checkbox. I need a name. I'm gonna name it checkbox equals to find view by ID. The type of it is a checkbox and r.id.checkbox. That's it. So here I'm gonna connect a function to our checkbox to check if the state of the checkbox is changed between check or uncheck or not. So I'm gonna call it and call set unchecked change listener, and I think this one, the second one, is good. Yeah, button view and it's checked. First of all, I'm gonna set a text to our checkbox whenever somebody is clicking our checkbox and changing the state. So we can check it like that. The state has changed. I'm gonna check it on the emulator. Okay, we have a checkbox here. Name of it is confirm, and whenever I'm clicking on it, the state will be changed and the text will be changed to the state has changed. Okay, now we want to check if the state is checked or the state is unchecked. We have a boolean here by default named is checked. Whenever the state of the checkbox is checked, this boolean will be true. and whenever it's unchecked, this boolean will be false. So I'm gonna write here if is checked, which means if the value of this boolean is true, set this text checked into the text box for me, and let me test it on emulator. Okay, it's now confirmed, and when I'm checking, it will be changed to checked. Now I'm gonna duplicate this line by pressing Ctrl or Command D, and here I'm gonna add this, and that means this line, this part means if the value of this boolean is false, which means the box is unchecked, right here as the text of the checkbox, unchecked. Now let's see it again. Okay, that's not fair. Check, unchecked, check, unchecked. Okay, I think that's any useful thing that you should know about the checkbox. So if you find any value in this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any question, write down in the comment box below. I will be so happy to answer to your questions. If you want to see the other videos of the playlist, I'm gonna add the link of the playlist into the description below. You can click on it and watch the other videos. And if you want to have access to the source code of this project, I'm gonna publish it on GitHub, and I'm gonna put the link of my GitHub into the description below as well. If you are new in my channel, please remember to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be aware about new videos. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in next video.